Hello, Shakil once again. In the previous chapter, we have connected our database with MongoDB, with Mongoose. So now we need to create the auth route and necessary routes like auth routes, category routes, post routes, and everything, and controllers. And not only that, in our root file, we have to connect everything. Okay. So first of all, we need to bring Morgan to get the log of our errors and everything. So npm install Morgan, then import Morgan from Morgan, and this is a middle layer. You can see it middle layer. So app dot use Morgan and give it a div flag. Okay, and we need another thing, that is Express.js as a middle layer, otherwise we will not get our response as an Express.js. Okay, use Express.json. Okay, and we need routes. Okay, router, say we need router, say app dot use, say we want to prefix every route as a API, prefix every route as API. Okay, and this is auth routes. Okay, and create a folder named route, ROUTES routes, and bring auth routes and give it a routes and give it a name, auth.js. Okay, and connect it with the auth routes. Okay, so import auth routes from routes auth.js. So this will connect our routes with the auth folder, and in the auth routes import express from express const router equal to express dot router express router. Okay, and router dot say get, we want to check our health of this site. Okay, so give it a name health, ACALTH health, and request response and res.json give it a message, say health site, health is okay. So let's see, restart the server. Start. Something wrong, cannot find package routes. This spelling mistake. Oh, routes. Bit of typo. Routes. I think this time it will be okay. Another error. It's imported. Another spelling mistake somewhere. U TES routes. Let's see. Another mistake. Routes. Cannot find routes. Server index.js. Sorry, I have to give it routes like that way. So what we have done the wrong, we need to give it a slash over here. It will be prefixed by the API with every route. And another thing is that we need to export default router. Okay, now I think this time everything is alright. Yes, it's all right. So let's check the health of this site. Okay, let's go to the browser. So localhost 8000 health, cannot get the health. Request response, site health is okay. So it's not getting the health. So let's see what's wrong with it. It's saying preview response header. It's saying HTTP localhost 8000 health, but our route is not health. It should be prefixed by the API. You see, this is API, so it should be prefixed by API. So if we hit it over here, API, then I think it will be okay. Yeah, site health is okay. So we have created the route connected with the MongoDB, and first time we hit our first route successfully. So no more today. Stay connected, stay tuned. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up. See you soon. Thank you very much.